YouTube, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. This is the hydrogen rocket I'm building. Me and my son are going to do a bit of experiments. This is basically what we've done so far. An old plastic ashtray we never use, glued on the bottom of a piece of pipe. Ignition from a barbecue lighter goes through a long wire, up the middle, as you can see, up to the top, and ignition sits just there. So when I press the igniter, you'll see the spark going in there. Drilled a hole just here on the side for the fuel or the hydrogen to go into when I'm fueling it. Holes at the top to let the hydrogen come out. This bottle will be filled with water. Okay, when it's filled with water, it's plopped on top of there, and it sits inside this. So there goes ignition, pipe feed in there with the hydrogen, on goes the bottle full of water. The water pressure from outside will keep the water inside the bottle, and when it's filled with hydrogen, press ignition and you see that spark going off. So that's what will happen, hopefully. We'll see in a minute. Okay, the water's in the rocket. I've got my gas feed going into the bottom of that hole I showed you before, ready to fill the gas. I've still got a good ignition spark. Catch it on there. There we go. Although it's got wet, it still sparks nicely. So yeah, it's ready to be filled with gas now. And the idea is not to use too much water and not to use too much gas, because that gas is very flammable when it's burnt. So next thing now is to fill up with gas. Okay, I'm going to turn on my hydrogen generator. Got a flat battery, mate. Well, it's low battery, so it's got a few amps come out of it. It'd be enough for me. What I want to do, make some gas. So it's travelling down. There we go. There's gas going in now. So it's now filling up with gas. Like I say, I don't want too much in there. I think that might be enough actually. Yeah, definitely. I don't want this to be a massive explosion. Right, set it up on the floor. Okay, it's all set to go. Kids are watching from over there, out of the way. We'll go in a second to make sure everything's in place. Right, I think that's alright, guy.
Fabulous rocket.
Yeah, great one, can't it? Yeah. Okay, I'm not putting a lot of gas in there because I'm afraid of it being too loud. Hold on a minute. Okay, this is take two. A little bit more gas in there, a little bit less water. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. God, that did go well, didn't it? Wow.
And my dad
it wasn't even noise, was it? Yeah, I know.
And on the camera.
Well, that worked pretty well, didn't it? I went pretty high, didn't it?
Science man.
Right, okay, right. Okay, so that was quite a successful launch. We're going to do launch number 2 now. Turn the hydrogen on. What's that switch gone? There it is. I'm going really low at the moment. Power's about 5 amps now, so it's still producing a little bit of gas. Down there, you see the bubbles coming up through the tube. And you see the water going down as it is filling with gas, very slowly but surely. The water line's there, by the way. See it going down. I'm using a bit more water this time actually. There's the wires for the electronic ignition. Oh, it's pushing the water out of the actual tub there, so I'll let some of that water out actually. Okay, a bit more gas this time. Haven't we? And the ignition's ready. 5. Ready? 4, 3. Kai. Tegan, stand back.
1.
Stand back, please.
5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think I had too much water in that time, didn't we?
Oh, it stinks.
What?
Chlorine.
It's just the stuff isn't it before, not that.
Dad,
Anyway.
can I try this then?
No, you don't just smell it. Anyway.